Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Sleepah is probably one of the most sought-after sleep aids on the market, and for good reason. It's designed to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. If you're tired of tossing and turning all night, or if you're struggling with insomnia, then Sleepah might just be the solution you've been looking for. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes Sleepah so effective and whether it's the right choice for your sleep needs. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus. It's a powerful pre-shampoo treatment designed to repair and revitalize your hair. In just 3 minutes, this treatment works wonders. It targets damage and begins the repair process, leaving your hair feeling noticeably softer. Experience immediate repair for damaged hair. It helps to strengthen your strands from within, making them more resilient. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. Achieve visibly softer and stronger hair with consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for ultimate health. What we like. This product is designed to repair and strengthen your hair, leaving it softer. If you have damaged or weak hair, this is the perfect solution for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to revitalize their locks. What people say. The Sleepah has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any bedroom. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and customize settings. The device offers a variety of soundscapes and light options to create a personalized sleep environment. Number 4. SoundAsleep Dream Series Luxury Air Mattress. Introducing the Dream Series Air Mattress, designed for exceptional guest comfort. It combines advanced technology with a plush top for a stable, bed-like sleep experience at home. Experience uninterrupted sleep thanks to our Comfort Coil technology. Internal air coils ensure the mattress remains flat, firm, and stable throughout the night, supporting 1 or 2 sleepers. Setting up is a breeze with the patented built-in pump. It inflates the mattress in under 4 minutes and deflates just as quickly for convenient, compact storage. The raised double-height design makes getting in and out of bed effortless. This dual-chamber construction provides a more natural, bed-like feel. Measuring 80 by 60 by 19 inches, this queen-size mattress offers ample space for 2 adults. It's perfect for overnight guests, spare rooms, or temporary sleeping arrangements. Enjoy a comfortable and clean sleep surface with the soft, flocked top. It's waterproof, resisting moisture and spills, and helps keep your sheet securely in place. Built with puncture-resistant materials, it's designed for repeated use. The sure-grip bottom reduces sliding, and the included carry bag makes storage and transport simple. What we like. Experience superior comfort and stability with its advanced air coil system and convenient built-in pump. The elevated design makes getting in and out a breeze. If you frequently host guests or need a reliable, comfortable sleeping surface for temporary use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Sleepah has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any bedroom. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to set up and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The device offers a variety of customizable settings, allowing users to tailor their sleep experience to their specific needs. Number 3. Sleepah Bed Bumpers for Toddlers. Introducing the Sleepah Bed Bumpers, designed to keep your little ones safe and sound. These soft, memory foam pads provide a comfortable barrier, preventing accidental tumbles from the bed. Crafted with premium memory foam, they offer a plush and supportive feel. The gentle cushioning ensures a cozy sleep environment for your child. Accidents happen, but cleanup is a breeze. Our removable cover is both waterproof and washable, making it easy to maintain a hygienic sleeping surface. Featuring a dual-sided non-slip design, these bumpers stay securely in place. You can rest assured knowing they won't shift or slide, providing reliable protection all night long. Whether you have a king, queen, full, or twin bed, these versatile bumpers are designed to fit. They offer a snug and secure fit for any mattress size. Give yourself peace of mind knowing your child is sleeping safely. These bumpers are the perfect solution for a worry-free bedtime. What we like. These bed bumpers offer a soft and secure sleeping environment for toddlers. The non-slip base ensures they stay in place, and the washable cover makes cleaning easy. If you're transitioning your child from a crib or are concerned about them rolling off the bed, these are a must-have. What people say. The Sleepah mattress is designed with multiple layers of foam that adapt to your body, providing excellent support and pressure relief. Sleepah features a breathable cover that helps regulate temperature throughout the night, ensuring a cool and comfortable sleep experience. The mattress edges are reinforced, which increases the usable sleeping surface and prevents the feeling of rolling off. Number 2. QPAU Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed. Introducing the QPAU Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed, your ideal solution for family trips. It effortlessly solves the problem of sharing beds in hotels, on vacation, or while camping. This is a must-have for families on the go, perfect for visiting relatives or as a transitional bed. Crafted from puncture-resistant PVC with reinforced seams and leak-proof technology, it's built to last and can support up to 330 pounds. The flocked surface is comfortable, waterproof, and easy to clean, making it suitable for any adventure. Plus, the child-friendly, non-toxic material ensures your little one's safety. Help your child transition from a crib to a regular bed with ease. This sleepover bed is designed to make them feel snug and secure during this important phase. It's perfect for travel, camping, or sleepovers at a friend's house. Worry no more about your child rolling off. This travel bed features built-in bumpers for added safety. We are committed to resolving any concerns swiftly to ensure the best experience for you and your child. Join over 2 million satisfied customers who trust our inflatable products. We are dedicated to providing high-quality, safe, and comfortable solutions for your family's peace of mind and happy moments. During the initial inflation, the material may stretch and appear to lose pressure. This is normal as the bed adjusts. Simply re-inflate, and it will reach its optimal state after a few uses. What we like. This travel bed provides a safe and secure sleeping space for your little one on the go. The built-in safety bumpers prevent them from rolling off, and the detachable mattress offers versatility. If you travel frequently with young children or need a reliable solution for sleepovers and camping, this is the perfect portable option. What people say. The Sleepah mattress is designed with multiple layers of foam to provide a balance of comfort and support, adapting to your body's contours. Sleepah features a breathable cover that promotes airflow, helping to regulate temperature throughout the night for a cooler sleep experience. The mattress edges are reinforced, offering enhanced edge support, which means you can utilize the entire surface of the mattress without feeling like you'll roll off. Number 1. Baby Bath Kneeler and Elbow Rest Pad Set. Introducing a complete set designed to make your baby's bath time more enjoyable. It ensures comfort for both you and your little one. This set comes with everything you need for a fun and engaging bath experience. It includes sponges, duckies, cloths, and more essentials. Looking for the ideal gift? This set is a perfect choice for baby showers and birthdays. It's a necessity for any new parent. The padded kneeler and elbow rest provide superior comfort for you during bath time. Meanwhile, the included accessories keep your baby entertained. Crafted with quality in mind, this set offers durable and safe bath essentials. It's designed to be a go-to for all your baby's bathing needs. Turn every bath into a cherished memory with this comprehensive set. It's designed for convenience, comfort, and endless splashing fun. What we like. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a fun and safe baby bath time. It includes soft sponges, toys, and cloths for a complete experience. If you're looking for the perfect baby shower or birthday gift, or simply want to make bath time easier and more enjoyable, this set is an essential choice. What people say. The Sleepah app has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and find the features you need. Sleepah offers a wide variety of guided meditations and sleep stories, catering to different preferences and needs. The sleep tracking feature provides detailed insights into sleep patterns, helping users understand and improve their sleep quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.